Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change time on your Apple Watch. So, today we have Apple Watch SE first generation. It doesn't matter what Apple Watch do you have, it's going to work on the all Apple Watches. And if you want to change time, you need to press the digital crown to go to the main apps screen, the app screen, sorry, and you want to go to the settings, this icon right here. And now we are going to find the clock settings, as you can see right now. And here is a surprise, you cannot change the time by yourself because it is always going to be synchronized with your iPhone. But for example, if you are a person that always comes late to the meetings or whatever that comes late, you can change the time that is going to be displayed on the watch face. And as you can see, now we have 2:15, 14. And if you wanna, for example, let's say plus 10 minutes. And now, as you can see, this time hasn't changed. But if you wanna go to the main watch face, as you can see, we have now 10 minutes ahead of a time. And it can be useful if you're a late person because you're going to check your Apple Watch and see, oh, it's so late, I need to hurry. And this might be helpful, but you cannot change the time by yourself. You can just add at most 59 minutes to the main watch face, the main screen of your Apple Watch. This is not going to change any other time than on the watch face, and all the alerts, notifications, and everything is going to come to the Apple Watch on the right time. This only changes the time that is displayed on the main screen. So this is it. This is how you can change time on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit like. Bye.